How to see the description of a YouTube short video. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the description section of any short video on YouTube. First thing, go to YouTube. I have this video right here and I want to see the description of it. All what you have to do is simple. Just go down here, click on those three dots as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on description right here. Now as you can see here, you will see the description of the video easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.